Here I have HP Slate 6 VoiceTab, and let me show you how to accomplish here the soft reset, how to force restart on this device. It could be very useful when your device is frozen or just hangs. So at the very beginning, let's start by opening the back cover. Let's do it by using the following cavity right here. So let me just open this back cover step by step, and now you can open the battery. So you can remove the battery by using this cavity, and let's remove the battery for about 5 to 10 seconds. Let me just show you. Alright, then let's put back the battery. Let's close the back cover protection. And simply press power key to switch on the device. The device is turning on. Let's wait a few seconds until you will be able to use your device. Alright, so now let's unlock the screen and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.